Welcome to Motorsports Mania, the ultimate destination for every car lover who lives and breathes automotive excellence. Whether you're into vintage classics, modern-day beasts, or future-ready concepts, this is the place where car enthusiasm comes to life. Today, we're taking you on a nostalgic ride into the late 70s as we explore one of the most iconic American luxury sedans ever built, the 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood. This classic car stands as a symbol of unmatched comfort, stately presence, and high-end performance, wrapped in a body that defines vintage American style at its finest. The 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood marked a turning point in Cadillac's history. It was the first year of a major downsizing effort that affected nearly all GM full-sized cars, but interestingly, the Fleetwood Brougham managed to maintain its grandeur while being slightly shorter and lighter than previous generations. Cadillac achieved a brilliant balance between size reduction and luxury enhancement, maintaining the aura of authority and elegance that buyers had come to expect. Let's begin by talking about the exterior design, which was unmistakably Cadillac. The 1977 model came with bold lines, a stately front grille, and signature square headlights that sat proudly on either side of the massive chrome-accented grille. The long, flat hood and the sharp angles gave it a commanding road presence. Measuring just over 221 inches in length, it was still a massive car by modern standards, though smaller than its 1976 predecessor. Chrome trim around the windows, bumpers, and body sides added to its luxury character, and the Cadillac crest ornament mounted on the hood served as a statement of prestige. Moving on to the interior, this is where the Fleetwood truly shines. The cabin was all about comfort, refinement, and space. Plush pillow-style seating made with velour or optional leather gave occupants a feeling of riding in a rolling lounge. The dashboard layout featured wood grain accents, digital-style climate controls, and a Cartier-inspired clock, all reinforcing Cadillac's mission to deliver first-class luxury. Power windows, power locks, automatic climate control, and cruise control were standard, with many more options available for those wanting an even more opulent experience. The rear seats were especially spacious, reflecting the car's status as a preferred choice for executives and chauffeured clients. Under the hood, the 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood came standard with a 425 cubic inch V8 engine, which produced around 180 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. It wasn't a sports car, but that wasn't the point. This car was built for smooth, serene cruising. The engine was mated to a 3-speed turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission that delivered seamless shifts and a relaxed driving experience. Despite the reduced engine displacement from previous years, the 425 V8 offered respectable power while being more fuel-efficient than earlier models thanks to the lighter chassis and refined tuning. One of the key highlights of the 1977 model was its ride quality. Cadillac's engineers focused heavily on insulation and suspension to deliver a driving experience that felt like floating on air. The car featured a coil spring suspension on all four corners, which absorbed bumps and road imperfections with ease. Noise insulation materials were generously applied throughout the cabin, making the Fleetwood incredibly quiet at highway speeds. The steering was light and effortless, perfect for relaxed long-distance cruising. Cadillac also introduced a few safety and tech improvements in the 1977 Fleetwood. It came equipped with a steel guard beam in the doors for added side impact protection. There was also an optional Twilight Sentinel system, which automatically turned on the headlights in low-light conditions, and an automatic level control system that adjusted the rear suspension height based on cargo load for improved stability and ride comfort. Fuel economy wasn't exactly a strong point for any vehicle of this era, but thanks to the lighter body and smaller engine compared to previous years, the 1977 Fleetwood offered slightly improved mileage. It averaged around 12 to 15 miles per gallon depending on driving conditions, which was acceptable for a luxury car of its size and class during the late 70s. Another appealing aspect of the 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood is its customization potential. Buyers could choose from a variety of colors, trims, and optional equipment packages. From the elegant vinyl roofs to wire wheel covers and opera lamps, each Fleetwood had its own distinct personality. Cadillac offered customization through its dealer networks, allowing customers to spec their vehicles in ways that truly reflected their personal style. Today, the 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood is highly appreciated by vintage car enthusiasts and collectors. It represents a blend of classic American luxury and transitional automotive engineering. While it may not be the fastest car on the road, its charm lies in the way it drives and the feeling it gives you behind the wheel. The combination of classic V8 rumble, soft suspension, and roomy interiors is a recipe that still appeals to those who appreciate old-school comfort and design. Maintenance-wise, owning a 1977 Fleetwood requires care and attention like any other vintage vehicle. Parts availability is fairly decent due to the car's popularity, and there are active communities and forums dedicated to preserving and restoring these classics. It's a great project car for enthusiasts and a showstopper at any classic car event. In conclusion, the 1977 Cadillac Fleetwood stands as a proud representation of Cadillac's philosophy during a changing era. With its rich styling, smooth performance, and emphasis on comfort, it remains one of the most luxurious American sedans of its time. Whether you're admiring it at a car show, cruising on an open highway, or restoring one in your garage, the Fleetwood carries a presence that very few cars can match even today. If you love this kind of deep dive into iconic vehicles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and become a part of the Motors Sports Mania family. We bring you the best reviews, insights, and stories from the world of cars, both past and present. Stay tuned for more exciting automotive content, and thanks for riding along with us.